Hello guys, this video we make this rabbit from A to Z. The all techniques exactly with which number and which size of every mold. In 12 minutes we will know everything about it. Let's start. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younis. I have 250 video in my channel, content of how to make chocolate, all kind of bread, all kind of ice cream, all kind of dessert international, original recipe. Let's start. This exactly 400 gram chocolate. 55%, which is the best, consists of a lot of sugar, so it will be strong. I keep in microwave. You can melt it in microwave or bain-marie, whatever easy way for you. Be careful when you use microwave, maximum 30 seconds, then take out. You must mix even if not melted. Then bring it back until all dissolve. Until to have 45-50 Celsius. This is the best. And then I will add 100 gram of very small chopped chocolate. And this is the easy way to make tempering. So 75% melted to 50 Celsius. Then you added 100 gram and it will reduce to be 30-31 Celsius. If you don't know how to make tempering chocolate, in my channel I have 5 videos how to make chocolate ornament, how to make chocolate decoration, how to tempering chocolate with the 3 easy way. All you need to learn about chocolate and mold in my Sugar Emperor channel. First we fill the mold. This 21 centimeter egg mold. So I need 2 sides of this mold because I don't want to use a lot of chocolate, so I use one. When it's finished, I make the other one. The whole Showpiece exactly 420 gram chocolate. As you see, I make tempering for the chocolate, then I fill the mold. I shake it to take all bubbles out. Then I keep it for 1 minute. 1 minute exactly in room temperature. And then I remove it back as you see. And then I keep it crystallized in room temperature. When crystallized in room temperature, I keep it in the freezer or the fridge for 10-15 minutes. And then as you see, it's crystallized and easy to take out of the mold. Other way, I have 8 centimeter round ball, and I use the technique, brush technique. So I make 1 layer of the chocolate with brush, then I keep it to set, then I keep another layer, 2-3 layer. As much as you see, it's a nice thickness to hold the head. Here 6 centimeter egg mold, which I use it to make the legs or the shoes. Here this 2 centimeter half ball silicone. If you don't have this one, you can buy all from Amazon. All my mold I selected from Amazon or eBay or Alibaba, whatever is easy for you. The whole technique, just I fill the mold full, I shake it to take out the bubbles, I keep it for 20 seconds, then I remove it back as you see, then I keep it upside down so to have equal size. This 12 centimeter egg mold, which I use it to make rabbit ear. You can see I brush, then I shake it, and if I need one another layer or two layer, it's depending about how thickness I want. You can see now I make the shoes. I make the shoes from egg mold shell. I bring melted tempering chocolate. I keep it like 3 millimeter high. Then I bring the eggshell and I put upside down, and which will be the surface of the shoes. It's so easy technique. You can use it for many character of the chocolate, which we will going to make every week. This 10 centimeter ring, it will be the base of the showpiece. I keep it high 2 centimeter just to set. The small half ball, which I use it to make a head and to make the eye of the rabbit. Finally, when I have two sides of eggs, I have flat surface reheated, just warm, not high, and then as you see, I push to be flat, then I close the eggs, and my mold is ready. The head, I will use round head, as you see. The same way, same technique, hot surface, I push to adjust all the size, and then I stick it together. Now I have the shoes, I have the base, I have the body. This is so important techniques. As you see, with sharp knife, I dig around the shoes. To be exactly same size shoes. So easy technique, which you can use it for all character we will doing in the future. With the sharp knife, I adjust all the extra size, and now I have nice shoes for my rabbit. Very important, when I make the showpiece setup, I have to dig with the sharp knife. As you see, this small net is very important. The place I stake and the place in the base. So this makes the chocolate strong to stake it together. Now, I try to all my character showpieces to have emotion, to have movement, and that give life to the character. When I finish the showpiece, I will brush all with, I do the same technique to stake the shoes in the body. After I finish the showpiece, I will spray all with white cacao butter. So 100 gram cacao butter, 30 Celsius with 10 gram of titanium oxide. I blend it with hand blender to be white spray. I sprayed the whole body, and then 100 gram of cacao butter melted 30 degree. So I added chocolate color, red or green or yellow, as you can see in the photo in the intro. And that's it. You have the nice showpiece. I didn't want to spray all in one video because the video will be much longer, and I did already in many showpieces. You can find everything, how to make white chocolate, how to make original milk chocolate or dark chocolate, all in my showpiece. in this video in my YouTube channel. Here I heat one sharp knife, then I cut the rabbit ear. So this 8 centimeter high mold, I cut it into half to make the rabbit ear. Then if it's bigger, I cut exactly the size I want, and you can choose. I can see the ear is not harmony with the body, so I cut less. And this is up to you, the chef, who decide which size exactly. Because this flat and the head is round, I have to make curve so the chocolate can stay easy. Here it is, rabbit ear is ready. You can use the ice spray if you want. Here I reheat the surface of the casserole. This is the small half bowl we did in the beginning. Then I will stick it together. This which I use it in the nose and eye of the shoe pieces. Here I reheat again. How to stick in the body or in the hand with flat surface. I push, you can see. And then I stick the ball the other side. It will be flat also, so I have nice hand. After that, with the small knife or hot cloth, one piece of cloth I put in the hot water, boiling water, then I squeeze, then I smooth all the sharp of the showpiece. Then I can spray yellow, green, red, whatever color I want. Thanks for being my channel. Please leave comment.